JP.
I'm so excited about today.
Same here. Our first destination will be this Filipino restaurant, so come on. Jessica, how long have you been here?
It's been already 10 years and still counting.
Do you know that our countries have been friends for 75 years already?
Yeah, 75 years. It's been really long since our culture exchange.
Speaking of, so here's a bit of our culture. This is liempokyu. You guys love pork, right?
Yes, we love meat.
Tortang talong. This is sort of like our version of a pajong, I don't know. Sisig.
Sisig.
Three-way sisig, smoked, fried, and moist. And of
Wow.
course, rice.
Sinangag.
Yes.
My favorite.
Exactly. And I guess also what we share is that we always eat together, right?
Yeah.
Communal,
sharing.
family
meal.
style. Let's
Family
go.
style. Let's go. Let's begin.
Kaunta.
Yes, kaunta.
Kaunta. In Pampanga, we have wet sisig.
Right.
Manila, crispy. Cordillera, everything is smoked.
It's like a mix of all the mixtures together. It's like perfect harmony. Perfect with rice. This is really the Filipino flavor I fell in love with.
So these are crispy egg whites, crab, then there's a salted egg paste hiding somewhere. And
Wow.
let's give you a little bit of onion.
Sarap.
Namit.
Namit. Wow, so these just amazing. I just love how Filipino food has all these flavors all together. And now that we had some Filipino food, let me introduce to you to some Korean food.
All right, I am excited for that. And my Hyundai IONIQ 5 is fully charged and ready to go.
Okay,
Let's
go.
go.
So we're going to a Korean restaurant now, and we're gonna have some Korean food.
Okay.
So, do you like Korean food in general?
I do, actually. I had some last week, and it's nice that a Korean is taking me. It's different.
I mean, we just had amazing Filipino food, so
Thank
I'll
you.
introduce to you to some real
Okay.
Korean food as well.
All right, let's go. Why do you love food so much?
I think one reason why I love food is because it really brings people together.
Yeah.
You know, it's so easy to connect with people just through food.
Yeah, you are right. Food is it breaks barriers, right?
Food is life.
So Jessica, how does the IONIQ 5 feel like?
It's amazing. I mean, this is an EV crossover SUV, but then it feels like a sedan. And I also love the design.
It's so sleek.
Yeah, it's so sleek.
The color tone, I love it.
I feel like a very trendy person right now
I
driving
feel
this.
very luxe.
Okay, so this is the Korean restaurant we're going to.
I'm starving.
Yeah, nature-friendly vibes. So we're now in a Korean restaurant and we're gonna have some Korean food. So have you tried some Korean food before?
Yes,
You like Korean food?
love Korean food.
Yeah, okay. So here we have 3 dishes. So this is the 해물 파전 or seafood spring onion pancake.
Okay.
It's similar to okgoy, the vibes, yeah. And then this one over here is 갈비탕. It's like a Korean version of bulalo. And then the last one here is the 감자탕, or it's a spicy pork stew.
Okay. Leeks, seafood, and that crunch. This is good. This is like after a long day. This is home, right? What makes it thick?
The sesame
Sesame.
powder, yeah.
My first time to try
Yeah.
sesame powder.
Right? Okay, so now that we have tried all the 3, it's time for us to go camping.
Let's go.
Yes. Okay, so what are we gonna have during the camping?
So I'm gonna try to mix 2 cuisines together, and hopefully it turns out best. Hopefully you like it. I'm also gonna use the IONIQ 5 to power our experience.
Oh, you can
So,
do that?
yeah.
Using a car to cook?
You'll see it later.
Okay, perfect. I'm excited.
You
Alright.
don't believe me yet, but
Yeah, let's see.
We'll do it.
Let's see. Let's go.
let's go.